It's week number 4 of my click-through build using Bubble's no-code development environment, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I built this week and how I've changed the platform. So just sharing my screen here, I'll kick things off by showing you that I've made a couple of UI improvements. So again, as every other week, nothing is responsive as of yet, as you can see. But I've spent a bit of the week, and I've had quite a bit of help from my friend Simon, just kind of tidying up the platform, fixing some of the shadings and shadows, some of the shapes, the font colors, making sure everything kind of fits together a bit more neatly, just so everything's not as, I guess, cumbersome, is probably the way I'd put it. The UI is a lot cleaner. So if you go on the profile page here, everything just kind of fits a lot more tightly, which is good. It's starting to actually look like a real platform now, not just a prototype that I'd quickly put together. So yeah, I've made quite a few UI improvements in that sense. Small things like just making this heading section static here, so when you're scrolling, you've constantly got your navigation bar there. I've also made some kind of UX improvements. Just when you hover over things, they actually change their current state. I've worked on the logic of the like and unlike. So I had previously written the logic for being able to like a post, but users weren't able to unlike a post. It was essentially just an increasing number. So every time you would click it, it would add a like onto that post's total like count. Whereas I only want a user to be able to add one like and then also be able to remove that like. So if you hit that, it increases that number, and will also fill in the like button. And that also replicates over when you open up the actual post itself here. It also moves that across there, and you can unlike and like it again there, which also works back to the home page as well. I've finally also integrated half of the logic, I should say, for the leaderboard. So I'm still working on this, but at the moment it's pulling data on people's profiles. And you'll also be able to see that I've also finally integrated the follow feature. So you can follow someone's profile now, and that will update the state of that. Oh, so I clicked through to the profile. So yeah, you can go to someone's profile, you can follow them, you can unfollow them, and also you can view someone's list of followers. So there's a pop-up repeating group here now, which will just show my profile at the moment. But yeah, that will eventually show everyone else's profiles who's following them, which is exciting. And look, that also integrates across the whole platform. So now, again, the current state says that I am following that user. If we go to this user Brad here, let's look at one of his posts that is published. I can see that I'm following him here. I can unfollow as well, and that will reflect the actual homepage here. So I can go to his profile again and follow there as well too. And they are some of the major changes that I've worked on this week. I'm a lot happy with the actual user interface of the website now. I'm excited to see it come along and actually start to look like a real platform. There's still just a few little bugs, I guess, I'm having, and also some core features that I just need to build, but slowly getting there. And by all means, if you're a digital marketer and this is a platform you'd use to publish content, build your personal brand, let me know, because I will potentially be looking for, I guess, beta users in the coming weeks or month. And I'd also love to know if there's any features that you'd like me to build into the platform that you might find useful. Until next week, see you guys.